In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In those settings, scroll all the way down to access apps. Then click on choose default apps at the top and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, browser app. Lastly, tap on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!